Good day, plumbers!
And hello, viewers!
It's a good day to show you something about plumbing.
What exactly do you mean by that?
Well, it's time for us to know about house drainage system.
Now that's an interesting topic to learn. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start this right away.
We'll wait. We haven't introduced our name yet.
Oh yeah! Well then, it's Edeline Arbaneja.
And Antoinette Abalon.
And welcome to the Plumber's Note!
Well, first of all, what is plumbing?
Plumbing is defined as the art and science of installing pipes, fixtures, and other apparatus to convey and supply water in buildings and to dispose and discharge wastewater and other liquids, gases, and other substances out of the buildings in a safe, orderly, healthy, and sanitary way to ensure the health and sanitation of life and property.
Now, that is a very long definition, but I'm sure that you guys understand it easily. Now, a person who is skilled in the field of sanitation is called a plumber. To be a licensed plumber, you have to enroll a course and acquire a certificate to become a licensed one. But it doesn't mean that you will not become a plumber anymore. As long as you know how to do it, then you can be a plumber.
There are two objectives of plumbing, and that is to apply water to the different part of the building, or should we call it water system, and to remove and discharge human waste and other substances out of the building into the public sewer, also known as drainage system.
Now, in this video, what we're going to talk about is house drainage system. We will show you what happens from the discharge of waste to the process inside the septic tank and to the public sewer.
First, to be able for us to understand the whole process, we have first to define some terms. The other terms will be defined as the discussion continues. Drainage system refers to piping installation to dispose waste in various forms. A fixture refers to fixed plumbing items in a household or building such as lavatories, showers, bathtubs, and etc.
There are two types of waste. The solid waste, which is being discharged by water closet or toilet. And the liquid waste that are coming from various fixtures except for the toilet. In the types of drainage piping, the soil pipe are pipes that convey waste coming from the water closet, which can accept both waste from the water closet and the other fixtures. While waste pipe are pipes that convey waste from various fixtures other than water closet.
The pipes used for drainage system could be made from metal or plastic synthetic or polyvinyl chloride or PVC. Just remember that drainage system uses the plastic pipe that has the color of orange for sanitation and blue to water supply.
When a person wants to dispose his human waste, he will immediately go to a toilet. If a person will wash dishes and other materials, then he will use the sink. If a person will wash his face or do something, then he will use lavatory sink. In that cases, the process of drainage system will happen.
If a person will discharge a poop, then he will use the toilet. From here, the discharged waste, when flushed with water, will go to the septic tank. The pipe that connects the water closet and the septic tank is called soil pipe, as it conveys both solid and water waste. This pipe should also have 2% slope inclination. This means that with every meter should have 2 centimeters inclination. For example, a 3-meter pipe used will have 6 centimeter inclination.
If this will not be followed, there will be a problem in the delivery of solid waste from the toilet to the septic tank.
As said earlier, from the toilet, the waste will go to the septic tank. A septic tank is a receptacle or vault used to collect organic waste discharged from the house sewer. The septic tank has 2 divisions. The first part is called the digestion chamber that will receive the water and solid waste, and the second part is called the leaching well that will receive the water from the first part and will pass through this pipe. The water in the second part of the septic tank will then proceed to the public sewer.
But before that, let us first discuss the processes inside the septic tank. There are 2 main substances found inside the septic tank. That is the substance accumulated and the bottom and the floating substance. A semi-liquid substance accumulated at the bottom of the septic tank is called sludge. And the floating substance at the septic tank, which a lighter material that rises to the surface of the water, is called scum.
Anyways, these substances undergo decomposition. The decomposition in the upper portion of the tank with the scum is called sedimentation, and the decomposition of the accumulated sludge at the bottom of the tank is called anaerobic decomposition.
And as said earlier, the water from the septic tank will go to the public sewer, and again the pipe used to connect the 2 should have 2% slope. Be sure to put clean out because clean out will allow you to fix the pipes whenever there's a stoppage inside.
In the installation of clean out, there are things to consider. For every 20 meters length of pipe should have a clean out. Be sure that clean out should be placed in an area that is easy to reach.
Aside from water closet, the waste from fixtures such as sink, lavatories, and bathtubs will also be conveyed by the pipes going to the public sewer. That is why it is important to show you this. Let's just use lavatory as an example.
Water waste discharged from here will eventually go to the septic tank and to the public sewer. But it is necessary to use appropriate fittings to avoid problems. Just like this lavatory, it uses P-trap which has water seal and prevents entry of full gases to the house.
The pipes used here will have big and small pipes, and the use of fitting like reducer to reduces the flow size from larger to smaller by reducing size of pipe, coupling to connect the pipes of the same diameter, and etc.
A pipe that is vertically placed and connected to house drain, and usually a big pipe, is called a soil stack. According to the National Plumbing Code on soil pipe, every house drain should have at least one soil stack. And the pipe that is installed horizontally is called soil branch.
And similar to the solid waste, the water waste will go to the septic tank and to the public sewer. But there is another thing to be installed after installing of all of these pipes. What we need to install are pipes of ventilation.
Why is there a need for ventilation? Vent systems provide a way for sewer gas to escape while maintaining atmospheric pressure inside drain pipes, preventing the traps from being drained. Stack vent being connected to the soil stack must be extended and terminate through the roof of the building, extended full size above the roof, not less than 20 centimeters long, and should not be less than 77 millimeter in diameter.
Also, be sure to put clean out for every 20 meters length of pipe used.
Of course, time will come that problems may arise, or even in the pipe installation. That is why it is also important to know the tools used for installing, repairing, and troubleshooting all plumbing stuff.
First in the list is wrench. It is used to tighten or loosen hexagonal fitting like unions and other metal fittings. Pipe wrench, monkey wrench, chain wrench, and adjustable wrench are examples of wrenches used in plumbing.
Other tools that we may use are pipe cutters and hacksaw, threader, vices, pliers, and blowtorch. That's all, folks!
Hope you understand even a bit in this video. And to check whether you learned something from us, we'll ask you something and answer it based on what you have learned or recalled.
Alright, let's start. Which of the following is an example of fixture? Letter A, this one. Letter B, this one. Or this? You are correct. The answer is letter C.
What do you call a substance found at the bottom of the septic tank? A. Sludge, B. Scum, C. Anaerobic bacteria. You're very smart. Sludge is the substance accumulated at the bottom of the septic tank.
Hi, that was an amazing discussion we had with you guys. Hope to see you again.
I am Antoinette Abalon.
And this is Edeline Orbaneja. Till next time, this is the Plumber's Note.